Here's how you can make a cotton face covering. Cut a piece of cotton fabric that measures 40 by 22 centimetres. Fold in half long ways to create a square shape. Pin the top open edge only, leaving a gap of about 6 centimetres in the centre. Sew with a straight stitch and a 10mm seam allowance. Move this seam to the middle and press the seams open. Then cut 2 pieces of elastic measuring 15 centimetres long. Place each piece of elastic inside the square with raw ends poking out top and bottom corners, pin in place. Make sure the elastic isn't twisted. Sew with your 10mm seam allowance down this open edge and repeat on the other side. Turn the mask the right way around through the small gap in the centre. Flip the mask to the right side and fold the mask in half, then fold the top and bottom into the middle and press. This should give you 3 pressed lines. Fold your pressed edges downwards to make 3 pleats and pin your pleats in place. Sew down each edge, securing pleats. And that's how you make a simple face covering. You can find the full tutorial for this project on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub.